This is your machine here. The quality is very good. You know, the capacity is excellent. You know, let me show you the quality of the machine. It's better than machine I used to buy in Turkey. You know, I used to buy in Europe. But your machine is more, the capacity is more benefit, and the quality is the best. So I'm gonna show you now the quality, huh? Okay, look, look, the quality is here. It's thick and strong. So, and now I'm going to show you the capacity of the machine. Show him the capacity. And it is 10 tons. This is 10 tons. So it's very good.
This is Mike. We're testing your machine today. So this is your 10-ton a day capacity flake ice machine. It's equipped with a handbell screw compressor, water cooling condenser, water cooling tower, and these are the additional components we use in your machine: economizer and this heat exchanger, the vertical heat exchanger. You can see the ice is formed on the pipe of your liquid of the machine's liquid supply pipes and the condensed water. Because the liquid supply temperature is only 7 degrees Celsius, and check the machine's evaporating temperature is minus 30. And that is the reason why this machine can make very good quality, better quality ice flakes than other Chinese machines. Now let's focus on the quality of ice flakes. You can see the ice flakes are obviously thicker and stronger than the ice made by other Chinese machines. Such better quality ice flakes can make your customer easily win in the ice market, because your customer will be making better quality ice flakes, thicker ice flakes, stronger ice flakes than other ice suppliers. Okay, now we collect some ice from other area. You can see it's very good quality ice flakes.